Every night begins the same. Silence and a mind that refuses to rest. His eyes close, but his thoughts do not. Sleep arrives, but peace does not. Dreams do not ask for permission.
Isn't my room.
They take you where you fear to go.
Stop!
Some voices are not meant to be heard, especially in the dark. The most terrifying thing is meeting yourself. No matter how fast he runs,
Why am I not moving?
he remains trapped. Fear is never alone. It watches in nightmares. Screams make no sound when control is lost.
Up!
The fall begins.
Wake up!
He wakes up and believes it was a dream.
This entire 3D cartoon animation was created using AI. Yup, no Blender, no animation skills, and completely free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. If you want to create Pixar style or Disney style 3D cartoons using AI, this video will change everything for you. We'll use just 3 AI tools: ChatGPT for story and prompts, Gemini Nano Banana for 3D images, and Grok for AI animation. By the end, you'll be able to create a full animated story like the one I showed you before, and for completely free. Now, step 1. The master prompt. Everything starts with just one prompt. Now, check out the description. I've pasted a master prompt in the description below. This prompt tells ChatGPT to generate a main character design, full story, scene-by-scene image prompts, and even animation prompts. So that means this one prompt's gonna create the base for your story. Now just paste your prompt here. Now from here, you can change the concept. So for example, I've put it a story title called A Worst Nightmare, and you gotta explain a little bit of your concept. For example, I've wrote here a young boy having a bad and scary dream. That's it. Your story could be related to something like exploring the forest, and you can write here a young boy and his friends are going to explore a deep or an unknown forest. In the instructions, you don't have to change anything. Now our prompt is ready, and here you can see it's a detailed visual prompt for a 12-year-old boy in Disney 3D style. He has a cute expressive face and things like that. And now, for example, if my story is not about a boy, rather it's about a fox. For example, fox having a bad dream. Now I have to change my main character from a boy to a fox every time it's mentioned in this prompt. For example, here a 12-year-old boy, a 12-year for a fox. He has a cute expressive face, messy white hair, and wears a blue jewelry. Okay, so now I guess it's perfect. So just click on enter and wait for the explosion. ChatGPT gonna create the scenes, the perfect picture prompts, and even the animation prompts. Now, for example, here you can see the title is A Worst Nightmare, and the style is high quality Disney Pixar 3D render, and tone is psychological, emotional, scary, but cinematic. And the main character is a fox. I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm gonna just say fox. So ChatGPT will first give you a master character prompt. This is extremely important for consistency. We define the character once and reuse it in every single scene. This ensures the character looks the same in all scenes, same face and clothes, and even same style. And then if you scroll down, here you can see we got the scene 1, and you have the prompt for scene 1. Then you have the prompt to convert that image into animation, and then all up to scene 12. Now, once your scripting and prompting for pictures and video is ready, here comes step 2, image generation using Gemini Nano Banana. Now just go to your Gemini, paste your master character prompt here, then just change this from fast to thinking and select the create image so that it will use Nano Banana's features. Now just click on enter, and now Gemini is going to create our main character for our story. Now here we can see Gemini Pro has created a detailed character for our story. Now once your character is ready, just go to your ChatGPT again and copy your first scene prompt. And be sure to change the boy to the fox and click on enter. while Gemini's Nano Banana creates our first scene in which our main character, this fox, is sitting on his bed. Now, let's see if it maintains the consistency in our first scene. Here you can see this fox has white hair and green eyes, so do this picture and even the same vest. Now you can see it is indeed replicating the style. Now go to your ChatGPT again and copy your second image prompt. Now here we can see it again maintain the same style of our main character. Now do the exact process until all of your prompts will be converted into pictures. Now once you create all of your pictures, here comes a crucial step, the magic step. Now we'll convert these pictures into animations, and yup, as I mentioned earlier, including the lip syncing and the consistent camera movement. For that, we're gonna use Grok AI. Now once you're on Grok AI, just click on this Imagine button and click on this Attach button, and then click on Upload File and choose your first scene image, and then click on Open. Then just go back to your ChatGPT and copy your first scene's image to video prompt. Just copy this, go back to Grok AI and paste it here. Now wait while Grok AI converts your picture into an animation. Now you can see Grok AI has finally created our animation from that picture. It even includes background and the sound of this fox, and it will include the dialogues in upcoming scenes. Now what you just have to do is click on this download button, and that's it. You've just finally successfully downloaded your first scene. Now click on this arrow and click on this attach button and select your second scene picture. Now this was my picture. Click and open, go back to ChatGPT and copy second scene's image to video prompt and paste your prompt here. And now Grok AI will start animating this picture according to the prompt we've just given it. Now wait while Grok AI creates your second animation. As you can see, Grok AI has finally created our second scene. You can check out the background music and the smaller details, the pillows, sound effect, and even its ears, wiggling, and that's what we need. So just click on this download button, do this exact same process of click on this back button, click on attachment, upload your third picture, go back to ChatGPT, copy your third image prompt, go back to Grok AI and paste your prompt here and click on enter. Now do this exact same process until all of your pictures will be converted into animations. Now once you've converted all of your pictures into animations, here comes step 5, editing and story flow. After generating all the scenes, we bring them into any editor, CapCut, Premiere Pro, or even in mobile apps. For me, I'm gonna use CapCut. Now once you're on editing software, just click on this import button and import all of your animated clips. Arrange scenes in order and then add a beautiful background music. No need to add sound effects because Grok AI has already put the sound effects. If you want to add, you can add transitions. And your AI cartoon story is complete. This method works because characters stay consistent, camera shots are controlled, story feels cinematic, and everything is AI driven. No guessing and no random results. And all of this happened with just one single prompt. That's the magic that we present here on DeepMind AI. If you want more AI tutorials like this, like documentaries, cartoons, faceless channels, subscribe to this channel. And remember, the future of storytelling is no longer in studios, it's in your hands. Don't forget to check the description for the master prompt and like this video. You're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.